What's happening in the industrial automation world? Hey, I'm Mike. I'm the marketing manager for Scott Equipment Company. Today we're excited. Ellis is back from Fender. He's going to tell us about their filter fan product and why you should consider using them for your control cabinets. Take it away, Ellis.
Thanks, Mike. I'm excited to show you guys our 7F series of filter fans. We've got a great lineup here. Let's open one up on the desk and take a closer look. When you open up the box, you will first see your 7F filter fan. You'll also get a little bit of mounting hardware included. This is additional as the fan can snap right into your cutout, but some people just like to have that option. We get a copy of the data sheet, and then we also get cut sheet that shows sizes for all fans. So now that we're in, let's look at these two side by side. This is our 4-inch size. We've got 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes. The 4 through 10-inch sizes come in AC and DC. The 12-inch is AC only. And then on our 10-inch and 12-inch sizes in the AC motor type, we also have 2 motor power options to choose from, 2 fan speeds that you can opt for, so you can have a higher flow or a lower flow option. Here on these 4-inch guys, we can see the DC on the left and slightly thicker the AC motor here on the right, but neither one is protruding into the cabinet very much at all. We can access our filter medium easily. This can all happen from the outside of the enclosure. So easy to maintenance, get in there, replace the filter, wash it out, or put in a different type of filter medium if you prefer. One bit of attention to detail that I like, the push-in connections here, where you would land your wires, are on a little clip housing, and that can come off the post of the screw. It just gives you a little more wiggle room so that when you're jammed up in the corner of your enclosure, you can still get in there and land your wires without breaking all your screwdriver tips. Bit of attention to detail from the product design team, just shows they've been there before. Grabbing one of our larger size fans I had off to the side, I can show you a little better. We've got a really nice quality foam molded gasket going all the way around. Just the fit and finish on these fans is really high quality. You'll get them in your hands and you can feel the rigidity, the quality of the construction. I think you'll really like what you're getting, especially for the price, but you can talk with Scott Equipment about that. Let me also show you that we've got it available in a black grill option. The fans themselves, and of course also the vented grills without the fan motor. The motors on these fans are rated to 50,000 hours, which gets you almost 6 years of continuous runtime. But if you'd like to be turning it on and off and taking a temperature set point into account, grab one of our 7T thermostats, this nice little slim package here, and you can clip that on the DIN rail right next to it and regulate your temperature that way. All right, so if you're ready to get some of our 7F filter fans into your next application, get in touch with the guys over at Scott Equipment for a great price and more details.
Thanks, Ellis, for taking a little bit of time today to tell us about the Fender filter fans and why they're a great solution for keeping dust out of your control cabinets. If you have any questions about the filter fans, reach out to your local Scott Equipment Company account manager or email marketing@scotteq.com. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for some more great industrial automation videos. Thanks.